be the next cutie player of EU.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna pass.
You're gonna pass?
Have fun. Kitty, don't get hit by mine.
Hey.
God bless.
TSM, 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 3SM.
Wait, shield
Careful,
Darius.
careful,
We can
careful.
win. Helios, Helios. I'm coming here. Pobalter, ulti, Pobalter.
Laser!
Wait, what can we do? Can we Baron?
Laser!
Nasher.
Nice.
Good job. Okay, good calls, Lust. Good calls.
It's GG. Like they're throwing. They're throwing the game.
I'm in there.
They're throwing the game.
You can see the buff timers.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot about that.
I never used it.
How long, Dragon?
125. It's pressed goddamn tab.
Oh yeah, kurva. I am not used to that still.
I have like 500 AP with this build.
You have 400.
How can we not try?
Yeah, just try. If you want.
They stopped.
Nice!
Oh, nice.
And you escaped!
Don't tell me. I'm blended.
It's fine.
If I decide to do something and it's a mistake, then it's a mistake, not a decision.
No, it's a misdecision.
Tabs, can you please explain this to me?
No,
Because
I'm
quite
gonna
sure
stay
I
out of this one. Somebody told me that shadows help with depth perception.
Yeah, it does.
So it's better to play with shadows on for hitting skill shots.
Shadows are on. We won.
Are you dead?
Am I gonna die?
Yep, you're dead.
Yep.
Are you dead?
Yeah, I'm probably dead.
If they just jump on you, you're dead. You're dead.
Slow.
Rip Lust.
Rip Lust.
Oh, I didn't even see him die. Where did he die?
He died to Syndra.
Oh.
Man, Kitty, your match history. All Lucian.
We lost.